Hi, I'm Christy from Sankemda and I'm gonna be showing you how to do tabbouleh. You're gonna need olive oil, salt, onion, lemon, tomatoes, and parsley. First, I'm gonna be taking the parsley and put them in my hand. I'm gonna be chopping their ends. I'm gonna be cutting them into small pieces. And I'm gonna be putting it in a bowl. Now I'm gonna be chopping the tomato. And I'm gonna be mixing them with the parsley. Now I'm gonna be peeling an onion. I'm gonna be cutting it into small pieces. I'm gonna be putting them with the parsley and tomato. I'm gonna be chopping a lemon. I'm gonna be squeezing them. I'm gonna be pouring it into a bowl. I'm gonna be adding a pinch of salt. I'm gonna be pouring a little bit of olive oil. Now we stir. We're gonna be pouring them into the tabbouleh. Now we're gonna be putting them into a bigger bowl. There you have it, tabbouleh.